Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple accounts on Reddit. Before watching this video, please subscribe the channel. Let's get started. First, open Reddit app on your device. Now, tap on profile option. Here, you can see your Reddit username. Tap on. Now, you can see add account. Tap on. Now, you log in, continue with Google or email. After login your account, you can use multiple account on Reddit app. That's it. Successfully add multiple account on Reddit app. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching this video.